Okay guys, in this video we are going to be looking at CPA marketing. All right, CPA marketing. So CPA marketing is under digital marketing, and one thing about CPA marketing is that it's totally different from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, one has to make a purchase before you get your commission, but with CPA marketing, all the person needs to do is just to perform an action, and then you get your commission instantly. Now CPA means cost per action. All right, cost per action. So any action your audience takes on a particular platform or website, you are going to be getting paid for it. Okay, so the reason why I prefer this CPA marketing is that your audience, they don't need to make any purchase, they don't need to buy anything, unlike affiliate marketing. Okay, so if someone signs up on a particular website, just to sign up, you get paid. For the person to make a purchase, you get paid as well. For the person to fill out some form, you get paid. For the person to perform some task, you get paid. Okay, so imagine if you have a particular website that is offering CPA marketing program, and you are going to be paid like $1 for anybody that signs up using his name or her name with the email address. Just to fill out that form, you are going to be getting paid $1 from each person that fills a form. So that's the reason why I like CPA marketing. So um, let me show you one of the websites that you can actually use to, render CPA marketing services. Now there are a lot of websites out there, but I'm going to be using this one called CPA Grip. So let me show you the website. So this is the website, CPA Grip. All right, this is CPA Grip. So I'm going to drop the link of this CPA Grip on the comment section. So just go to the comment section, you are going to see the link, and if you click that link and sign up using this platform, CPA Grip is going to be giving you times 3 bonuses, and also it will give you the opportunity to do something called lock offers. Okay, so there are a lot of opportunities that will be given to you, and there are so many bonuses you are going to get whenever you use the link. So make sure you use the link on the comment section, the CPA Grip referral link. Just use it on the comment section so that you can get some of these free and bonus offers. Okay, so don't miss that opportunity. Go to the comment section, click that link, and then sign up so that you can actually use this CPA Grip. Now, how can you make money with this CPA Grip? This is how you can make money. I will come over here to this icon, this sidebar right here. I will click it. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So this is how my dashboard looks like. I come over here to this sidebar. I just wait for some time. The thing is loading. So let me just zoom it. I will click this sidebar. That's the first thing I have to do. So the thing is still loading. Yeah. Okay. Let me click it again. So this is the sidebar, okay? As you can see, we have the dashboard, we have statistics and chart. In case if you want to see your statistics, we have monetization tools. So this monetization tools, you are going to get it when you use the referral link on the comment section. So this one is the offer tools, this one is the postback tools, referral program, payment center, account setting, and all of that. So I'm going to be clicking this offer tools. I'm going to click it, and then I go to my offers. Okay, I'll go to my offers. This is where you are going to see the offers. So you can actually select the offers based on the country where you are coming from. Okay, so right now I'm in Nigeria, and as you can see under the country, you see Nigeria there. Okay, under the country you're going to see Nigeria right there. So you can as well change the country to any country. So in case if you want to change Nigeria, maybe you don't want to promote offers that are available for Nigerians, you can come over, just click that Nigeria, and then select the country. As you can see, there's a lot of countries right there, a lot of them, a lot of them. So but if you ask me, I will advise you to use US. So let me look for US. Let me know if I can find US. Let me see if I can find US. US, because US will pay you better. US has the highest offer. So let me just search it. Let me just click it. So you can as well select it in case if you want to. But I'm actually looking for US. So let me just click this icon again. I don't know, my phone is hanging. So let me say United States. So this is the United States. So I want to look for offers available for United States. So as you can see, it is loading. So anytime you promote these offers, each offer you promote, when someone fills in a form or takes any action, you get paid. So these are the offers, as you can see. The first one says, start your trial with the IP Vanish VPN. And this is how much you are going to be paid, $2.83. That is $2.83. So what it means is that if someone downloads this VPN called IP Vanish VPN, if someone clicks this link and downloads the app, that VPN app, you are going to be paid $2.83. Same thing with this one. This one said install and use the secure VPN. The same thing, 0.59 cents. Hope you are seeing it. So all these things are offers. These are offers. This one said enter for 2,500 cash. This is a kind of a bonanza, something like promo offer. So anyone that clicks the link and takes any task, you are going to be paid $1.09. Hope you are seeing that. Hope you are seeing that. So imagine when you have up to 100 people that are doing the same thing. That means you are going to be getting paid just to share the link and tell people to download, take a task and all of that. So there are lots of them right here. So let me just go to this first one that says start your trial with IP Vanish VPN. So I'm going to click it. So this is it. This is it. Your payout is going to be $2.83. That is $2.83. And it's available for those in the United States. So even if you're not in the United States, make sure you look for people who are living in United States. Okay, make sure you look for people who are living in United States. Share this link to them, and whenever they download this VPN, you are going to be paid $2.83. So imagine when 100 people buys, or let me say downloads this app, 2.83 from each person. So this is a very cool way to make money. And the neat thing is that the app is actually free. They don't need to pay for the app. Okay, it is actually free. So how are you going to do this? See, this is what you're going to do. You come over here that says copy link. You copy the link. Just click copy link. Yes, I've copied the link. So what you're going to do right now is to share this link. Okay, share this link. So when you are sharing the link, people will likely they will click the link and then they will make a purchase. So if you want to change your tracking domain, you come over here that it says a tracking domain, come under that, click this icon, this signifyfiles.com. You can actually change the domain to any domain at all, any domain you want to change. So there are a lot of domains you can use in case if you want to change them. Okay, so that is just it. And better say, you can actually create a landing page in case if you want to. You can actually use a landing page so that people can, so that your link can look more unique. So let me just come over here. Let me just go to Facebook, for example. Let me go to Facebook. Okay, so let me just go to Facebook. So I can just come over here and search for, let me say, USA. Let me just type USA. So I will look for groups that bears the name USA. This one says California, USA. Let me click join. Click visit. And then I'll come over here to write something. I'm going to write a post like, let me say, if you are looking for the if you're looking for the best VPN, I will advise you to use IP Vanish, because that's the name of the VPN. IP Vanish, IP Vanish VPN. So you can, after that, you then drop the link to download it for free. Click the link here. So you can just write something like this. So, okay, so after that you then paste the link. So this is the link. So when they click this link and download this IP Vanish VPN for free, they're going to be paid $2.83 instantly. So when you're through with that, just